What is up, guys? Braid with Mini Tech Clips, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a little issue that I noticed with the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So I just got them, and pretty much what happens is when you take them out of the box, the volume isn't loud. Like, you turn them all the way up and you're like, bro, this ain't loud. So to fix this, first off, I'm just going to connect them. I love how fast these connect. You just put them in. So, boom, we're connected. So what you need to do is you need to go into the Galaxy Wearables app. And from there, just be looking at the main screen and go to where it says, not notifications, go to where it says touchpad. And by default, it's going to, I think, have phone calls or something. I take that back, voice command. So like Siri or Google Now or whatever. Voice command, Bixby. But what you want to do is you want to tap volume, and it's automatically going to set volume down, volume up. So now what you can do is you can take your right earbud and you can hold on this little thing, and it's going to turn the volume all the way up. So they're going to be super loud, like really, really loud. So you're going to be bumping. So you can hear my music. So, basically just have the Galaxy Wearables app, tap volume, and then hold the little touchpad for the volume up side, which is the right side, and you'll be good to go. Excuse me. So, yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.